Happy Thursday, meal preppers. Paul coming at you here. Amy just out of the office right now and getting some stuff done. We actually sold our house. We bought a new house. We're moving stuff. So the end of the month is going to be crazy for us. Not only that, Amy got her dream job of being a professor of what she does, which is cardiac sonography. So super proud of her, and that's going to be phenomenal as she goes forward. And we just had an extended weekend. We went on vacation down in Florida. It's hot, no doubt. Same as Texas, except just extremely humid. So with a temperature 97, it says it feels like 127, just to give you an idea. So it is Wednesday my time, so we're just squeezing it in here. And I just made 2 dishes this week because it was a late week for us. We got a late start. But we still have the rest of the week and maybe into the weekend as well. So I made 2 dishes. Right here I've got a salmon dish, a dish I'm familiar with because we made these in packets. I got some asparagus on the bottom, drizzled it with olive oil, and then I made a nice sweet sauce with honey, some ghee, and some spices, and poured it over it, and then put it, wrapped it up in a parchment paper packet, and put it in the oven for about 18 minutes. This is wild salmon with some shrimp on top, and on top of a bed of asparagus. So what a beautiful dish. I can't wait to eat that. That just looks amazing. I tasted this sauce and it is super sweet. So we'll see how that comes out on top of the fish and the shrimp. Over here, again, just keeping it simple, just a simple taco plate here. It's a 1 skillet dish. This is ground turkey with sweet potato. And then we got red pepper in there, some black beans and onions. And you just make it with the onions first, throw all the veggies in there and then the meat. Get that all going. Let it simmer for a good 15 minutes to get the sweet potatoes nice and soft. And then I just put this over a bed of spinach and kale mix. So getting a little bit more greens in there. So once you heat this up, that'll wilt down the greens. Mix it all in. We've got some avocado in there. And just this little slathering of cheese, probably not even worth putting it on there. Some green onion to garnish as well. And that's a nice simple dish for lunch. Actually, it'll make a good dinner as well. Both of these will make great dinners. So that's what we got today. Coming out in the app, hope you guys love these dishes. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of our app is. We're hearing good things about the shopping list, which I'm hoping to improve as we go further down the road. Just a lot of things on my wish list for this app. But guys, let the comments come in. Let me know what you love, what you might like. I do know that I probably should go through the app and mark what dishes are gluten-free, dairy-free, maybe vegetarian or vegan as well. So look for that coming up. Hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, take care.